This 2-minute video will instantly improve your art. A lot of artists don't realize that they should be picking their colors before they put their flats down. What you're seeing here is me testing a bunch of colors to make sure they fit in my entire piece. I'll zoom out to check if they all look cohesive, and then I'll edit the colors accordingly. So this character is an alien, which is why she's green, but she still has to fit into the entire piece. I recommend starting with the background before adding any color to your characters. Here you'll see me testing out a bunch of different colors for her hair, because originally it was way too bright, and this color definitely looked better. Now, I know nearly nothing about color theory, I just know it looks good to my naked eye, but this instantly improved my art in less than 5 minutes per piece. I'm going to speed through the rest of this to the next very helpful tip. First, I'll flip the background on and off so you can see just how beneficial this was. After blocking all of your colors, take a screenshot and put the mono filter on if you're on iPhone. You will want your focal point, which is typically a character, to be a noticeably different value. This will draw the eye of the viewer to whatever is the most important for them to view. I hope these tips were helpful to you, and don't forget to show your art in the comments if you used them.